Most people will never make money online, not because it's hard, but because they're doing the wrong things. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 side hustles that actually work in 2026, and one of them is something most people completely ignore. Let's start with freelance writing. Businesses are always looking for people to write emails, blog posts, and simple content. You don't need to be perfect, just clear and consistent. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. Next is print on demand. You create simple designs, upload them to a platform, and they handle the printing and shipping. Once it's set up, it can become a source of passive income. Now, this one is underrated. Flipping items online. You can buy products locally at a low price and resell them for a profit. Many people are making hundreds every week just by doing this consistently. Affiliate marketing is another powerful option. You promote a product using a special link and earn a commission when someone buys through it. This works best when you combine it with content like videos or social media. Here's the one most people ignore: digital products. You can create simple guides, templates, or ebooks and sell them online. Once created, you can sell them over and over again with no extra work. Another one is social media management. Small businesses are always looking for help managing their accounts. If you understand basic posting and engagement, you can easily get started. And finally, content creation. This is one of the most powerful long term ways to build income. It takes time, but it can lead to ads, sponsorships, and your own products. If you stay consistent with even one of these, making money online is not just possible, it's realistic. Subscribe if you want more simple ways to make money online.